unnamed individual.
Gary.
Here we have the immiscible dummy teapot. Now, what you must know about the dummy teapot is that he is a rare being and is in fact endangered species. An unbelievable display of masculinity and also femininity. Because what you must know about the dummy teapot...
What are you saying?
Nothing. Is that in fact he is like a seahorse. So when impregnated, he carries the baby as the male, but gives birth as the female. Hi, Tom.
So, we're rattling on. This thing's going to be maximum lows. So, to do maximum lows, you need the maximum low kick. Not really.
It's not that you strip them.
So obviously, because of changing the axle to take a little bit of power, Gary's got to do some cutting and shutting. The people that do the clever stuff, it's not me and you, are talking.
Yeah, look at this, very close to the shot.
You know, do a social media thing, hang on.
Plates, whoever's put their plates in.
Yeah,
down there, get rid of that and...
That'll get rid of them.
I agree with that.
Yeah, with that.
Yeah.
Them plates there.
Yeah, those.
Yeah.
The plates. Is it lunchtime already?
Yeah.
QD18 music.
You make this sucker shit up.
End.
Yep.
Those two are rose jointed or whatever, threaded,
and
then you can set your pinion angle correct, and then you have a Watts linkage.
Yeah, it's going to be tight.
A hell of a lot lower than this, and then you have problems on that wearing heavily because of the pinion angle. Do you get what I mean? If you think you can fabricate a four-link into there, then mint. That's the way I'd go then, because it's simpler. Then go tri-link here, and then we could Watts link it off the back, because there's enough chassis leg to mount a Watts link.
The Watts link is
The thing
you go Watts link,
the Watts link, the Watts.
He made light bulbs as well, so
this. I mean, even jack this axle up just to see what.
Realistically, the actual size isn't going to be that much different. So we might need to shorten that one.
Yeah. What here?
Yeah, that mount. So shorten that one so it's your upper mount, if that makes sense, and then put a longer one here.
Of course.
Yeah.
Because that's
what I'd have
not going to be long enough.
This won't be long enough.
To do both, if that makes sense.
Right. Yeah.
Just because of that.
That's why we get them to talk.
You probably want to.
Hi, Gary.
Hi. We're on it.
Guess who's back? Back again.
Hi, Phil.
Hi.
Phil's turned to the dark side.
Shh. Don't tell Dale. Don't tell Dale.
Hi, put the beard, yeah, that's right.
Oh, who is this?
I'm an unnamed individual. Definitely nothing to do with any previous projects.
Philippa.
Gary.
It's big. It's good fun.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah, I haven't got one of those Garys. I had to buy a new Gary the other day.
Did you?
Yeah, I killed old Gary.
What did you kill him for?
I think he just died. I know, literally 3 days before Christmas he passed away. I was shocked. I'm a little bit devastated, to be honest, but it's good because we've new Gary's in.
New Gary's good?
Yeah, new Gary's really powerful actually. I've been really enjoying using it. I mean, he's quite aggressive, but he's good.
Oh God. That's a big hole.
No wonder you're single.
Yeah.
You could do like that. Going up.
We've got it almost there.
Rather than plugging, trying to get these plugged up and
Yeah. It's a good shout.
re-drilled.
A very good shot.
I mean, it might not work, but obviously it's worth looking at first before you worry about welding these up. Face or hub? You get what I mean?
41.5.
So we've got 137.4.
That long?
Yeah, so probably too long, if anything. Yeah, but that's good. Long's better, long's easier because at least
You've got a bit of throw.
we're coming back. But other than that, I think we're good.
Yeah, lovely job.
I'm happy anyway. So sweet. Happy days. I'll leave you guys to destroy it a bit more.
Hello.
Gary's been busy.
Gary.
Gary the grinder.
Give us an update, Gazalaza. I don't know why. I don't know why I called him that. I just got it.
Yeah. So, put a harness bar in as required. Had to weld up the big sort of gap holes here and put some strength here.
The old rear seatbelts were mounted into there, but it's so weak, that sheet, we decided to run a bar in.
And then what I've decided here, to get the front down to match the back, as the back has gone very low, is to bring the subframe up by 2 inches.
Yeah.
Because then we've still got clearance for the engine on the bonnet.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna literally cut around that and bring that up to here. So I'm going to take all this out. I'm going to Z that up there. So
where
do
you've marked,
45,
basically.
Yeah, 45 it, lift that up to there, re-weld it all in. So then you've still got your factory mounts.
Yeah.
Gusset it all up so it's nice and strong. And it should all come up with the steering
Everything's
boxes
all
and
gonna
everything.
come up and everything.
Yeah.
Is that because the rear has now gone ridiculously low?
Yeah, it'd be ridiculously low. So
Well, my excited brief was that I really want to have a picture of it going down the road with sparks coming out the back of it.
I was going to get underneath with a grinder.
Yeah. Just hold it up there. God, Tom! Wow, 2 inches off that.
I say the back's it's obviously easy for me to say because I don't do it because I'm stupid, but the easy bit was the back bit, I suppose, because you can
Chop it all out.
put whatever here in is cut it out the way. So if you look in the back, you'll see all the tub. Well, not the tub, but where it's been cut.
With diff housing,
Yeah.
as we've gone at the moment, it might have to go a little bit more, just a tiny bit more at where the diff is.
Yeah.
I did clearance it for the 4-link arms that were on it to go up, but we're going to change that.
Yeah, we've got a little box there from Burton. The Power to Performance Company.
It doesn't look like a lot here, but I bet when it's all put up it'll look cool.
With them, I'm going to have to just shorten the 4-link bars down.
Oh, there, the 4-link bars. Yeah. There's 4 of them, so I suppose you need them.
Yeah, so if they're a bit too long, I could take the nut out the end, shorten it down and put it in there like the insert.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's quite nice.
I'd do that as well.
Yeah.
That's what I'd have done.
Yeah.
Just in case they're too long, you know.
If they're too long,
You're getting it. You're getting it. Yeah. And what are these?
Well, mind yourself, Dale.
Guys! What's next, Gary?
Well, the next thing, right, is fuel pipe's got to go. Get that out of the way. And the hydraulic clutch, we'll have to undo that. So, because I'm going to be cutting around here.
Yeah.
So we need to get this out the way. So yeah, so nearly there.
Cutting and shutting, and moving and grooving.
And grooving, probably dropping subframe as well in a minute.
Good.
That big chunk of iron.
Are you joining us today, Thomas? Are you going to...
Mate, you've been stood there not filming anything.
He's on Tinder. He's on Tinder.
No, I'm in a great, lovely relationship now, aren't I?
Oh yeah, forgot about it,
Yeah, single ladies, stay away.
You can talk to Patch.
Talk to Patch.
Patch is lovely, endearing. He'll make you a lovely cup of tea and sing you another bike at night.
I also look like
and cuddle you and tickle your hair.
You say Claire Balding. Pat Butcher.
I'm not Pat Butcher, come on.
You've got Pat Butcher's glasses on.
Get out my pup!
Get me the screwdriver, please.
What?
Just get me a screwdriver. I'm going to bend the bracket.
Sort of thinking out loud to myself. This is a difficult bit here because I decided to throw a bit of a curved chassis into the mix. Well, it's easy at the front. So what you do with the front, you do a 45-degree cut like that, right? So that you've got the length at the front to there. So what you do then is that bit there ends up here, yeah? So you're already that much higher because the bottom there is there. So then that welds in lovely and you can spread it onto the spreader plates.
Away at the back there.
Yeah, and then it comes up, everything then is up here, like that, all the way around. When it gets to the back here, I need to lift this mount here, but I also want to make it so that it would sit straight onto another piece, like at the front, so you've got strength, you know? But I don't really want to do a straight cut, so. But if I lift it up, it's not going to touch anything anyway. I mean, it'll be on this, there's a nice strength to the plate here. So what's that, that's about there. He's been checking
watching him do his ankles like this.
my ankles.
He literally was just like, where do I get it? Here or there?
I'm looking for the scissor side. Yeah.
Angle. Pat! Stop it! You're making an incision on a car to raise the body like 2 inches and you're doing it like this.
That's how I used to do my surgery as well before I got kicked off.
Yeah, that's out. Oh, just heavy as well.
Right, straight down.
Patrick, can you grab that? Because I can't.
Grab that cord, Patrick. Just go straight to the floor. On his quest for maximum nose, Thomas bought himself an Amazon.
And Gary cut it up.
And carried it.
Yeah. Have you got to the end of where you wanted to be?
Well, I think if we show too much more, then it's just
too much
away.
We can just go to be continued.
Yeah.
Like, share, subscribe.
Team Tom.
Oh, it's good.
It's there, isn't it? Yeah.
It's good.
We've been practicing that.
Team low.
Team very low.
Team
Amazon.
Amazon.
Oh no.
Oh, you ruined it.
Amazonium Tom. Out of transit.
Get your big.